Prove that x squared minus 4x plus 7 is greater than 0 for any value of x. Hence, sketch the graph of y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 7. So, using completing the square, so what we're going to do is write down x squared minus 4x plus 7, and now apply completing the square to that. So if you look at the minus 4 there, and then take half, so half of minus 4 is minus 2, and now write down that that's now brackets x minus 2 squared plus 7, but in doing this process, you've added something in. So if you expand x minus 2 all squared, you'll get x squared minus 4x plus 4. So you have actually added in 4 in doing this process. So here you have to, or you could do minus 2, just take the last term and square it to get 4. So here you need to do the opposite and take 4. So this now becomes x squared, x minus 2 all squared plus 3. Now, the minimum that this value that this can ever be is in fact 3. Now the reason being is that x minus 2 is always positive because you're squaring it, okay, and therefore you're going to add it, you're going to make it more than 3. So as x minus 2 is always positive for any value of x, its lowest value will be 0. So the lowest value of this will be 0. That will happen when x is equal to 2. For any other value of x, this will be bigger than 0. Therefore, the lowest value that y can ever be is 3. Therefore, x minus 4x plus 7 will be greater than 0 for all x. In fact, it will actually be greater or equal to 3. Now, we can use this to actually sketch a quadratic quite easily. So, sketching a graph of y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 7, and using y is equal to x minus 2 all squared plus 3, we know that when x is equal to 2, and I chose 2 because that's what makes that 0, we're going to get that y is 2 minus 2 plus 3, which is 2 minus 2 squared plus 3, but that's 0, plus 3 will give me the value of 3. So 3 is the minimum point of the graph. So drawing a set of axes, x and y, and then marking that point on 3. Okay, don't forget this is a sketch. We also know, because of the 7 here, that the curve passes through 0, 7. So we'll mark on 0, 7 somewhere on our graph. Now, because it is a plus x squared, we know it is a u, and this is the minimum point of that curve. So the curve will look something like that, and we will label it y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 7. So this has been sort of proof using completing the square and using that idea then to draw a graph of the resulting quadratic. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.